Good morning children. Today in our class we are going to learn maths. In the maths what topic we are going to learn? Lesson number 7, mental arithmetic. Lesson number 7, mental arithmetic. Mental arithmetic means what children? When you were adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing, that time we use finger counting, or we used to compare the objects, or we used to say the tables. Yes, and we used to subtract by counting the fingers. Yes, here we have to do, we have to mind calculate. We have to calculate by mind. Okay, so mental arithmetic means what? Calculating the sum mentally. Calculating the sums mentally means by mind we have to calculate. Okay, for example, here the sum. Okay, magic square. Magic square means it's not a magic. Okay, this we have to solve. How you will solve? How you will solve? See here. Now here number 8 is there in the square. Okay, so to form this 8, how many numbers we have to separate? We have to separate and we have to plus it. To get this number, how many numbers we have to add? Okay, so we'll see. So here 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is how much, children? 4 plus 2 is, you have to say 4 plus 1 is, you may count. 4 plus 1 is, after 4 is 5. Next, after 5 is 6. Yes, so 4 plus 2 is what? 6. Next, if you add another 2. Another 2 means 6. Then you can count it 6 after 7, 8. 2 numbers if we count, we get the answer as 8. We have to start calculating by mind only. 4 is there. If we add another 2, you have 4 chocolate now. If you add 2 chocolate means how much? 4 is there. 5, 6. You count like that. Next another 2 if we add means after 6, 7, 8. Like that we can add mentally by counting numbers also. Okay. Next. Now this side. We have finished this side. We got 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Next, see 4 will take 1 plus 5. How much, children? 1 plus 5 is 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1 plus 5 plus 1 is what, children? After 5 we can count as 6. Another 2 we add. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Yes. So like this we need to count mentally. We need to count in our mind only. In mental arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be calculated mentally. Yes. So in this mental arithmetic we can calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, division by calculating in our mind, by using mind we can calculate. We don't want to use the objects, okay, or we don't want to count from the finger. You have to count the number. If once you count the starting the number means you will get the answer and you will solve it easily. Okay, when we multiply a given number by 2, then it becomes 2. Now for example 2 is there. If we multiply this 2 by 2 times, if we multiply this 2 by 2 times means what, children? We have learned the table, no? 2 plus 2 is how much? Is 4. For example, level. We'll take level. 11 plus level is how much? See, 1 plus 1 is, you have to say 1 after 2. Next, another one if you add, we get 22. 11 plus 11, 22. Yes, children. So say we multiply given number by 2, then it becomes double. While multiplying 4 into 4, 4, the number 4 if we multiply 2 times means we get the answer as 8. 4 2s are 8 like this. Okay, when we add the same number by itself we get the double. Yes, when we plus the same, when we plus the number to the same number we get the answer as double number. 2 means what? 2 numbers we get 22, 30, 33, 44 like that we get 2 numbers. Okay. Next, we'll go for our example. As I explained you about this example, these 2 I have explained. Only these 2 we're going to solve. Okay. Now here 2 plus 5. We'll take 2 plus 5. So count it, children. 5 is here. 5 plus 2 is how much? 5 after 6, 7. So we can calculate it mentally from our mind only. 5 is there, another 2. If we add means how much is there? 5 after 6, 7. Yes, if we add 1 means 7 after what number, children? 1 is 8. So we get answer as 8. Okay, next. 1 plus 4. Yes. So 2 plus 4 is how much, children? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 if we add means what, children? 8. Yes. So 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Okay. Same here also we'll do now. Now to form this 10, how many numbers should we have to add? We'll see. First, which number we'll take? We'll take 1 number. Yes, 1 number we took. Next, which number we'll take for 10? We'll take 6. Okay, we'll take 5. 1 plus 5 is how much, children? 1 plus 5 is 6. So 1 plus 5 is what? 5 after 6. Okay, 6. Now we'll add 4 here. Okay, so 6 is there. 6 plus 4 is how much, children? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can count the numbers by our mind only. 4 times if we count means we get the answer 10. Okay, next. Here 4 is there. We will write 5. Okay, we'll write 5. Because 5 plus 4 is how much, children? 4 plus 5 is 9 is there. So another, which number we are going to add here? 1 number. Because 9 is the 9 after 10. Which number? 10. So only 1 number we have to add. We'll add 1 here. So 4 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 10. We got answer 10. Yes, next. Next here. Which number will add, children? We'll add 6. We'll add 6 here. Okay, 6 plus 1 is how much? 6 plus 1 is 7. 7. We will add here 3 also. Okay. So 3. So how much, children? 7 plus 3 is equal to how much? 10. Okay. Next. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is what? 10. Have you all understood, children? This is a magic square. We can use any number to form this number 10. We have to add the number to get 10. We have to get the answer of 10. We have to add. We can add any number also. Okay. Next we will go calculate mentally and fill in the blanks. Now here 10 plus 2 is there. So
40.
we'll see here.
40 plus
10. 40 plus 12 is there. Okay. 40 plus 12 is there. So 0 plus 2 is what, children? 2. 4 is there. 4 plus 1. 4 after which number? 5. So what you have to write? 52. We can calculate it easily. You can add like this also. Okay. 0 plus 2 is 2. Yes, if you add any number by 0 means you will get answer, same answer only, you won't get 0. Okay, don't write 0 as it is. So 4 plus 1 is what, children? 5. Okay, next. 75 plus 30. 75 plus 30 is how much? 5 is there. If you split this 5 into 2 and 1 means 5 plus 1 is how much, children? 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we can write here 8. 8, yes. Next 7 plus 1 is how much? 8. So you have to write here 88. Like that you have to write mentally. You have to calculate from your by your mind. Okay, or you can use like this also. Okay, roughly you can use like this also. Okay, next. 75 minus 35. Okay, 75 minus 35 is how much? 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, next. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is how much, children? Start calculating from your mind. 7 minus 3. If we subtract 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2 is how much, children? 4. So we got answer 40. Have you all understood? Next, fill in the blanks. 30 minus 5. Don't write 30 as 35 as a 35 in number. This you have to subtract it. Okay, 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5, we have to subtract it. Okay, so 30 minus 5 is how much, children? 25. So you have to write here 25. You have to calculate by mind only. So see, we'll subtract here. So from 0 minus 5 we can subtract it? No. So we have to borrow. So 30 minus 5 is how much, children? You have to start skipping 5 numbers out of from 30. You have to start skipping 5. Okay, from the backward. So you will get 25. So you will get 25. So you have to write this in word only. Okay, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 25. Okay, next. Next is what? 90 plus 9. 90 plus 9 is how much, children? So you have to start counting 90 after 91, 92 like that. Okay. So 0 plus 90. 90 plus 9 is equal to what, children? Count 9 times, we get 99. Calculate by mind. Okay. So you have to write in words 99. Okay, 99. Now 64 plus 15. 64 plus 15 is equal to what, children? How much? Start counting. You have to start. You have to count 64 plus 15. We get how much, children? 79. You have to calculate it 15 times. Okay, so you will get 64 plus 15. So you have to, in the 64 you have to add 15. Okay, and you will get 79. So you have to write the spelling 79. 9. Okay. Next 10 plus 8. So you have to plus it. 10 plus 8 is how much, children? 18. Okay. Next 20 minus 7 is how much, children? 20 minus 7 is how much? 20 minus 7 is how much? Children, 13. So 40 minus 6 is how much? 40 minus 6. Calculate it. 40 minus 6 is how much?
34.
So you have to calculate in your mind and write it down as a 44. Okay, 40 minus 6 is
34.
40 minus 6 is 34. Okay. Next we will go for our word problem. Next we are going to solve word problem. Okay. There are 87 ice creams in a box. If 9 more ice creams are added. Now how many ice creams are the children there? 87 ice creams are there. Still more 9 ice creams if we add means how much it will be, that we have to calculate. Okay. So 87 ice creams in the box. Number of ice creams in the box is equal to 87. Okay, next number of ice creams. Is added plus 9. Okay, so if we split this 9 into 3 means how much, children? 87 plus 3. So 87 plus 9. So if we split this 9, we have to make? We have to make first round figure. Okay. Split 3 plus 6. Okay. So 87 plus 3 is how much? 90. Now how much is left? 6. So 90 plus 6 is how much, children? 96. So how many ice creams are more now? 96 ice creams are more in the ice cream box. Next, there are 60 laddus in the sweet box. If 29 laddus are sold, how many laddus are left in the box? So what we have to write? 60 laddus minus 29 laddus sold. So how much will be left, children? We have to see that. Okay. So 60 minus 29 is how much? As we have done here, we have to make this number round figure. We have added 3 plus 6. Yes, we have. What we have done, we have divided this 9 into 3 plus 6. Same here also for 29, 60 minus 29. So 60 laddus, total was 60 laddus. Okay. So, and how many laddus the shopkeeper has sold? 29 laddus is sold. Now how many laddus will be remained with him? How many laddus will be remained with him, children? So you have to first we'll see. You have to see like this. Then if we do like this means we'll get the answer easily. Okay. So how much, children? 31 laddus were left. 31 laddus were left. Okay. Next, match the following by doubling. Match the following by doubling 30. As I have explained you, if any number we have added twice means we get the answer. Okay, so 39 plus 39 is equal to how much? We get 78. We have to cross here. We have to draw the line to the 78. Next 37 plus 37. Okay, so how much will we get? We get 74. Okay, so you have to draw the line there. Next 16 plus 16 is how much, children? We get 32. So you have to draw the line there. Okay, so 12 plus 12 is how much, children? If you add mentally means we get answer 24. 12 and you have to add plus 12. So we get answer 24. Next 48 plus 48. How much? 96. Okay children, so you have to practice at home mental arithmetic. Okay, thank you.